cats and humans have been connected for many millennia. Scientists believe people started taming wild cats up to 12 years ago. In the Fertile Crescent, where people first invented agriculture and stored surplus grains. Grain stores meant mice. And who loves mice? You guessed it, cats. Wild cats suddenly had easy access to prey and moved in closer to humans. At the same time people started keeping and taming cats, the domestication of cats had begun. These days, it's widely accepted that cats domesticated themselves. They learned that people were an excellent source of food, so they decided to stay close by. Of course, it's a very abbreviated version of a more complex process. But the trend of cats as species choosing humans as a food source relates to why individual cats choose individual humans to love. When kittens are very young, between 4 and 9 weeks of age, they don't perceive fear the way adult cats do. During that early socialization period, regular handling and exposed to different types of sounds and smell can help kittens grow into well-adjusted, human-bonded cats. In addition, when kittens are old enough to be removed from their mother, they rely on the new safest figure in their life. That's you. To be their trusted caretaker. So cats who have been with their owners since kittenhood tend to bond closely to their favorite people. But it's not a perfect science. For one thing, kittens who are exposed to a wide variety of people may grow up to be comfortable around humans but a bit aloof when they haven't bonded to one person in particular. And kittens who only spend time with one human can be loving and trusting with that person, but fearful of others. Personality comes into play too. What you see in a kitten is not always what you get when they're an adult cat. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification button for more videos. Number 1. Communication is key. Whether you meet your cat and when they're an adult or kitten, you have to learn to communicate with them effectively and anticipate their needs. The best cat-human relationships are one in which a human adapts to the cat's preferred style of communication. That communication style may not include physical touch. Being a cat's favorite person doesn't necessarily mean that they want you to pet. A cat's favorite person may be the one who makes them feel comfortable and safe just by being in the same room with them. Over time, you and your cat will learn how to best communicate with each other. In fact, Bradshaw says that some cats and their people develop a unique vocabulary that they both understand but is not shared by other cats or people. If you're the one person in the family who knows the difference between your cat's good morning meow and their feed me now meow, then you might be their favorite. If you're trying to win over a loved one's kitty, here are some tips. Feed them. Cats respond to nourishment and safety, so being the one who provides food can win favor. Play with them. Playtime combines attention and exercise, creating feel-good hormones and boosting the connection between you and your cat. Plus, once they're tired from playing, they'll be more likely to settle down for a snuggle. Positive reinforcement. When your cat does something nice, give them a treat or gentle pets. And when they need alone time, give them some space. Both attention and space can reinforce relationship. Add toys. The cat with the most toys wins. Every indoor cat should have toys for batting around. Toys for chasing, toys to hide inside, and toys for interactive play. While not all cats can enjoy the fragrant herb, those who don't find it extremely blissful. If your cat is a catnip junkie, indulge him frequently. Rub fresh catnip into cat treats or scratching posts, or stuff it into toys. It's perfectly safe for your cat to enjoy the buzz. Go green. Cats love nibbling on plants. Any decent feline reference book will provide a list of plants which should not be in a pet-friendly house. You can also visit the Animal Poisons Control Center for information on dangerous plants. After you get the unsafe ones out of the way, protect your decorative houseplants by hanging them up or otherwise placing them out of reach. Keep cats from digging in your decorative pots by putting a layer of small, rough stones over the dirt. You can then add a collection of accessible plants such as grass shoots for him to rub. Give face time. Of course, one of the best things you can do for your indoor cat is to spend time with him. Playing, grooming, petting, or just plain hanging out. It's all good. Your cat loves you and loves spending time with you. Keeping a cat inside is one of the best ways to ensure a long and healthy life. but it won't be a very happy existence unless you're going to add some intrigue to the surroundings. It doesn't take much in the way of time or effort, so get going. You don't have to open the door to the great outdoors to give your cat a more interesting life. In fact, by just looking at your home from a pet's point of view and adding a few environmental enrichments, your cat can be both safe and happy indoors. Both occurs naturally between cats and the people who treat them well. So if you take good care of your kitty, keep them nourished and safe, and respect their unique personality, you'll not only be an excellent cat owner, you'll also likely become their favorite person.